Alright, so, good morning, everybody. Okay, wait, hold on. I got to do it. I got to slow down a little bit, because I'm going through a border patrol. Yeah, so, you know what I'm saying? It's 8 o'clock in the morning, maybe 6 o'clock, I don't know. Actually, no, it's 10 where y'all at, where most of my people at. I miss y'all, man. I love you guys. So I guess it's 7, 8 where we at? 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock where we at. Cruising through New Mexico, you know what I'm saying? Doing the speed limit. Speed limit 65. I'm only doing 70. I'm cruising. I'm feeling good because I did not see the Holiday Inn Express last night. Yeah, check it. So yeah, say la vida is Texas, man. Ridiculous. Texas is horrible, man. It's so long. Jesus, I hate it. But you know what I'm saying? We headed to our next destination. Hopefully I hit you up in a couple hours to let you know where I made it to. We'll see what happens. My family, I love you guys. I miss you guys. Jayla, hey Big Ed. Say, what's going on? I'm glad you're feeling better. So I guess I get over to everybody later because I'm at the border patrol and they can't see me videotaping. So I'll holler at y'all later. Deuces.